to finish this up, all we need to do is splice the white and black wire to the gray and black wire from the Kellermann kit. I'm gonna go white to gray, I'm gonna go black to black, and then I'm gonna throw a piece of heat shrink on. Then we'll repeat the process on the other side, and the front is done. So right now, let's get the Kellermann wires stripped and ready to accept their splice. Now these things are tiny. I would say these are like 26 gauge. Baby tiny wires. Yeah, 24s maybe. All right, stripped and ready.